Yeah, doing a shuffle. I'm shuffling. I'm shuffling, kinda. It's kinda hard.
Watch me.
Get it, girl. Get it. Go. Go. Oh. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Oh. 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 Oh.
Oh, do the crazy. I'm gonna do the crazy.
You sure that's over track? It's fun. Shuffling.
Oh, crap.
Oh, crap.
Cramp.
I don't think that's part of the dance.
Do the cramp dance.
I'm still doing the shuffle. Kind of like the Running Man shuffle. I don't know how to do the jerk, so wait, let me try. No, I can't do it. No, I can't do it. Honey Bucky's in the house tonight. You doing the shuffle? Yeah. Kinda.
Okay, what time's the light?
Fan. Light. Oh.
The Shane Dawson dance. We should make a video of us just doing that.
No.
That's it too. Do a Shane Dawson dance.
Shuffle.
We should make a video of just that. And
That's so fun.
We should make a video of us dancing like him and then send it to him. Hopefully he doesn't get offended.
Yeah.
You think someone will get offended from
We're a bunch of 13-year-old girls dancing for him. He'd love it. Yeah. Yeah, say bye.
Huh?
Say bye.